Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a list, a to-do list in your notebook on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the notebooks icon down below, which is the first option. And after that, you should select a notebook from your list. Then tap on this one of the sections that are added to your notebook. And after that, tap on the check mark icon in the right side of the screen. As you can see, it is an untitled list. So click on the this section in order to type in the title of your list. After that, if you want to add any items to your list, click on the add item button in the left side of the screen, type in your item, and as you can see, there's a check mark or a check mark box next to your item. So feel free to add as many as you want to in order to create your to-do list. And if you are done with any of these, or you would like to indicate it with a check mark, just simply click onto the relevant item. And as you can see, these items are removed from this section and they are hidden. So if you want to check them, click on the hide completed or the show to completed section, and then you are going to see the hidden elements. If you want to untick these, click on the untick all, and then these are going to appear at the previous section. Click on the edit button in order to delete any of these. Then click on the delete button, and as you can see, you have deleted those items from your list. If you click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you can also delete the whole page as well if you click on the first option. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.